Welcome back to the Brent Bruce Daily for December the 15th, 2022. It is now 4:42 p.m. Central Time. A little bit later in the day, the bond market is closed, the stock market is closed, and the mortgage-backed security has settled for the day. This is after a pretty eventful week here with the CPI report, the Consumer Price Index on Tuesday, as well as hearing from the Federal Reserve increasing the federal funds rate by 0.5%. Now, we know, because we watch this show and we pay attention, the Federal Reserve increasing the federal funds rate does not increase home loan interest rates. In fact, home loan interest rates are down about 0.25% so far this week, with the Federal Reserve increasing the federal funds rate. That's why we pay attention. I'm going to show you the charts, the interest rates here. We're going to get through this pretty quickly here today. But at the end, I want to make sure and tell you a quick story about what I did this morning for a customer because of knowing what we know and how we were able to capitalize on that and seize a moment that came up in front of me earlier today. So let's take a look at the charts. All right. So we are currently up 11 basis points, closed for the day, up 11 basis points on the mortgage-backed security. Had a good run from yesterday, up quite a bit. The 10-year Treasury is down 5 once again. The 10-year Treasury, we want to go down because this is the yield. This is the rate of interest that they pay. The mortgage-backed security, we want to go up because this is the price. This is the price that someone is willing to pay for a mortgage-backed security with this interest rate. I'll get into that even deeper another day. So where are we on our mortgage-backed security chart? Here we are. Good day, good day, good day. Banging up against this ceiling of resistance, which is at 101.671. We need to break through this. This is our challenge right now, because if we break through this, we should be able to run up here. We will meet up with a pretty strong issue. The reason this is going to be difficult right here is because there is a dual ceiling. You have a Fibonacci level at 102.8, as well as a very strong 200-day moving average converging here. So we will have to break through both if we get above this Fibonacci level, and then we're going to have a great run. If we get to this level, I'm expecting that we will be talking about interest rates on a 30-year fixed Brent Bruce Daily at about 5.5 to maybe 5.625 with no points. Think about what an improvement that is from the 7.25, 7.1, 7.0 that we were talking about just a few weeks ago. Let's take a look and see where we actually are on our interest rates after a day like today and the week that we've had. All right, so we're going to run the Brent Bruce Daily, which is our very well qualified 30-year fixed conventional home loan. And we are at 5.999 with a pretty healthy credit, $1,321. Well, okay, we've been watching this show long enough to say, well, if you're getting that much of a credit, how much does it cost to get to 5.875? Well, let's open this up and take a look. 5.875 is going to cost you $630. So again, our customer today, we would probably be selling a 5.875% with a small discount cost of $630. What scenario are we looking at? It is right here. Very well qualified 30-year fixed conventional home loan, the best in the business, the best customer that you're going to find. But that's what we want to know. We can start from there. All right. So let's go back here and tell a little story here before I wrap up. First of all, make sure that you like, subscribe, share, and comment. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know what you want to know more about. Let me know if you think I'm crazy. Let me know if I've been right on. Let me know if this has helped you in your business, maybe even locking a customer in. And here's how it helped me out today. Knowing what I know, I expected that we would have a pretty good morning this morning. I didn't know how the day was going to end, but I thought we would be in a pretty good position. And I know where interest rates have been very closely for the past year, right? You guys know that. I pay attention to it every single day. This morning, one of my banks out of the blue gave me an amazing opportunity, and I jumped on it, locked a customer in with a 5.999% interest rate with 1 point on an investment property. All right, so if you don't pay attention to investment properties much, right now they're in the high sixes, mid sevens. If you pay a point, you might be at 6.5. So I was able to lock in a 5.999 with 1 point with this client who was very well qualified and had a large down payment. But understand that that was an anomaly. That happened for a moment. It is not available today. It wasn't available this afternoon, but it was available this morning. And I was able to jump in there and lock that interest rate because I knew that that was a great opportunity. I don't know why the bank made those numbers what they did. I might have jumped in before they realized it, but because we pay attention, we were able to jump on something like that. Let me know your thoughts. Let's get back tomorrow here, talk a little bit again about what happened this week and how we ended the week and what to expect going into the holiday time period here for the next couple of weeks. I will talk to you again tomorrow. Make sure you like, subscribe, share. Let me know your thoughts. I will see you tomorrow.